Hi there, I'm Claudia from Barcelona International, and today I'm going to take you through this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom co-living apartment in the Gothic area, Barcelona's charming old town. First things first, you're greeted by 2 lovely little chairs at the entrance, perfect for winding down after a long day, which is also next to a beautiful full-length mirror, maybe good for checking yourself out before leaving the house. And it connects smoothly to this large dining table with plenty of seating area, perfect for enjoying meals with your other flatmates. It also connects to the kitchen. A fully equipped kitchen with oven, stove, washing machine, dishwasher, and plenty of storage. Next, we walk through the corridors, which have plenty of natural light thanks to the large windows, and connects to the first bedroom. This bedroom has a double bed and a closet area, which provides plenty of storage. Next, we find the second bedroom, much larger, has a double bed and some beautiful old furniture, which really brings a lot of character and charm to this room. And some more storage space. We also find a third bedroom this way with a double bed and some storage and more windows for much natural light. Here we have our first bathroom with a shower and toilet. If we keep on walking this way, you'll find the second bathroom, which is equipped with a shower, toilet, and sink. It even has a bidet. And here we have the fourth bedroom. Also has a double bed, some storage, and it even has a desk to do some work with a lovely window to take in the views. What I love about this apartment are the tiles, which are traditional Catalan tiles, and they blend very well with this modern sleek design, which allows to bring in that historical element and touch to this beautiful apartment. Here is the living area, which has 2 sofas and a second dining table. We also have some very high ceilings, which is a very traditional Catalan feature and blends modern and history. And finally, the terrace, the balcony, which overlooks the beautiful old town. This is great for unwinding and maybe even having your morning coffee. And let's not forget the community terrace. We have this huge communal terrace with amazing sheltered seating area where you can take in the breathtaking panoramic views. We even have the cathedral over here and plenty of space to sit. It's got a beautiful botanical garden. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you.